In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve one of these problems that you're working on. So how many moles are in 60.1 grams of aluminum is the question we're going to solve. So up here, I just have some information. We have moles, and if we can go to the left, or kind of in between these two, grams to moles or moles to grams, we're going to use our molar mass. And if we're trying to go from moles to molecules or molecules to moles, we're going to use that 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So as we look at this problem, it says how many moles, how many, that means this is what I'm looking for, which means right here is where I'm going to end up, because that's what I'm looking for, are in 60.1 grams. Grams is what I have, so this is where I'm going to start. So I'm going to go from grams to moles, and to do that I'm going to use the molar mass. To do the molar mass, you have to know what compound it is, and you have to look at the periodic table. So the ratio of molar mass, the way we're going to start writing it is that 1 mole is equal to, but we're going to put it in ratio form, the mass off the periodic table. And for this one, it happens to be 26.98 because it's just Al. Now for these ratios, they can be flipped. Ratios can be flipped. They are not fractions, they are ratios. So either way, I can write it here. And this is the way we need to get used to seeing that molar mass written. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our given. Our given is whatever number is given to you in the problem, and that's what we're going to start with. We have 60.1 grams of aluminum. Your given, always goes right here. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of make a little note. Your given goes here. Nothing goes here for now. I say for now. In chemistry, nothing's going to go there. In physics, something does go there. But for now, nothing goes there. If that bothers you, just put the number 1, but no unit goes there. Now, the way to use this tool is that whatever unit is up here, we need that same unit to appear on bottom. The reason is because we need to cancel it. And grams divided by grams, well, that cancels. It's just like 5 divided by 5 is 1. So to figure out what goes here, you're going to look at the two ways that we wrote molar mass. We wrote molar mass like this, with mole on top and gram on bottom, and we wrote it flipped. Because gram is here, I need gram on bottom, which means this one is the one I'm going to use. And we're literally just going to copy it over. So we're going to put 1 mole of Al on top, and we're going to put 26.98 grams on bottom. That gets me from grams to moles, which is where I need to stop. So I'm done working this problem out, and I just pick up a calculator and I solve this. In case we forgot how to solve it, what you do is you take your two numbers, 60.1 times 1. You multiply the top numbers. So you do 60.1 times 1. That's the top number. And then we're going to divide by the bottom number. And you get that your answer is 2.22757598822, okay? But we just round to like the second decimal place. So this is fine. Your grams have canceled, and you're left with that unit mole on top. That means your answer has the unit mole on it. And that's what you do. Okay, use this to solve the problem you're working on.